Hey guys, welcome back. So I got the D12 out today. Going to be giving it its first test. I will say you can drive it nice and slow if you want. The turning circle, thanks to the steering angle, is phenomenal. So in the unboxing, I did say there was three types of adjustment, but there's actually two. So if you push, for instance, the thing 2 is low, and if you push it again for one flash, that's high. So that makes the steering angle high, and it's the same then for the throttle rate. So if you get 2 flashes, you're on low. 1 flash, you're on high. It's going to be a quick one today, guys, just a little test. I love the steering circle you can get out of this. Wow, what an awesome little truck. Very impressed. Got a nice slow control, and then when you say go, turn the power on, start drifting, start doing those donuts. Cheers for watching, guys. I'll catch you on the next one.